Welcome to today's episode. I'm excited to dive into something that's been generating buzz in the tech community, DeepSeek Coder. So what exactly is DeepSeek Coder? Let's start with the basics. Imagine a tool designed specifically for programmers, trained from the ground up on an impressive trillion tokens. That's T with a capital T. It's like having a supercharged coding buddy that truly understands both code and natural languages, including English and Chinese. Now, the model's creators didn't just throw everything together haphazardly. No, they meticulously built it with a staggering composition of 87% code to 13% natural language, which means it's finely tuned for code generation tasks, making it incredibly efficient at project-level code completion. Honestly, it's like having an extra brain dedicated to solving your programming challenges. For those tech enthusiasts out there, you might wonder what types of programming languages this model supports. The list is extensive, over 70 languages, including popular ones like Python, Java, JavaScript, and robust languages like Rust, Fortran, and even niche ones like Ada and Prolog. This means whether you're in a startup coding a web app or working on a complicated data science project, DeepSeek has you covered. Now, let's talk about results. You've probably become familiar with coding benchmarks such as Human Eval and MBPP, right? Let me put it this way. DeepSeek Coder is leading the pack. In some evaluations against popular models like CodeLlama, DeepSeek Coder Base 33B outperformed it significantly across various tasks. It's like running a race where DeepSeek is the one wearing rocket-powered sneakers while the others are in sandals. But how does it achieve such high performance, you may ask? It comes down to its advanced training processes. Initially, the model is pre-trained with a dataset that emphasizes quality and relevance, meaning it's not just about quantity, but the precision of the data it learns from. Imagine teaching someone to code not just from any book, but from the best coding practices compiled over years of experience. That's what DeepSeek has done with its data. If you're interested in utilizing this powerful tool, getting started is pretty simple. You'll need to install a few dependencies, and then you can run some really impressive code demonstrations. For instance, you can input a prompt like, write a quick sort algorithm, and voila, it'll output code that tackles that task. It's like having a conversation with a mentor who just knows how to solve problems. As a quick side note, for those curious about customization, you can fine-tune DeepSeek Coder for specific tasks. Just think about it, training a model to learn from your code style and solving problems unique to your projects. Before we wrap up, let's ponder this. With technologies like DeepSeek Coder advancing at lightning speed, what does the future hold for programming? Will there come a day when AI can code entire applications just from a basic idea? I mean, that could turn programming into something almost anyone could leverage, not just the specialists. So in conclusion, DeepSeek Coder isn't just another tool in the toolbox. It's a paradigm shift in how we think about coding and collaboration between humans and AI. Thanks for joining me today. If you enjoyed this episode, be sure to tune in next time as we discuss more cutting-edge developments in technology and how they're reshaping the world we live in. Until then, happy coding.